In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to use the Exness Copy Trading system. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to go down to where it says Copy Trading down here in the menu. And once you do that, you'll be able to see this page right here. From here, you'll be able to choose and find other people's strategies that you can utilize yourself and start copy trading that way. Or you can create your own by going up here to My Strategies, and then you can create your first strategy right here that you can choose from either public strategy or private strategy. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose private, but it will work the same way. From here, you'll need to choose account type. You can choose the standard version or the pro version. You can also down here set up your account where you can add the performance fee, which will be anywhere between 0 to 50%, the max leverage you can choose, the platform, and a password for the specific account. From here, you'll be able to add a name to the strategy. Let's just click test for now, and then you can also add a description if you want to do that. Click continue. From here, you can also add a profile picture forward if you want to do that. As you can see here, now congratulations, you have successfully created the strategy, where you'll be able to see the account number and the server down here. From here, you'll be able to make a deposit if you want to do that. But from here, you'll also be able to go over to the crypto or copy trading again over My Strategies, and then you can see your strategy right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!